Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the FOREXPEACEARMY.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. Let's take a look again on the cryptocurrencies. So Bitcoin currently stands among the just small part of the assets that feel well together with the gold market, because all other you can see on the Forex market, for example, there's really big collapse across the board. So euro currency, Great British pound, and so on. The performance of the Bitcoin on the positive side, well, some traders relate to it's some kind of the safe haven feature, but just a few months ago, this suggestion has been crushed when gold market was keeping going higher, while the Bitcoin just collapsed. And it was just not really too far ago, just a few months ago. And from that standpoint of view, the more probable that recent performance indicates some market hopes on the changing of the regulation and the role of the Bitcoin in the economy of the United States on the next president, supposed should be the Donald Trump. So that's major reason, some kind of the expectations in terms of the new regulation of the Bitcoin and all other support measures that Donald Trump actually talked about in his press conferences in the recent time. So on a monthly chart, we do not have something really new, so mostly price stands at the same area, around 70 even. And currently the most interested stands on the lower time frames. For the monthly chart, we just could repeat the same thing. That's despite some pullbacks here, overall context remains bullish. Market stands in a tight range near the top after the strong acceleration, and this is always has the bullish feature. So it's some kind of the preparation, building and energy for a possible upward breakout. So this is how we should treat the current situation. On the weekly chart, our major pattern stands in place. Last time when we talked about Bitcoin, we have made suggestion on upward continuation and set two targets. First is around 68.85. This is intraday target and daily ABCD, while the 70.30 approximately, this is a target of the grabbers directly. So the grabbers suggest taking out at least the nearest top to the left. And that is a minimum target of the grabbers. It doesn't mean that market should stop here and start turning down, but this is just minimum requirement destination points. And this target has not been reached yet. So from that standpoint of view, we have the bullish context and we're still watching for further upward direction, although this target stands relatively close. But at this point, since market has reached a few destination points, as I said on the daily chart, for example, recall our discussion of this ABCD 68.75, not 68.85. So ABCD has been completed. This is also the trend line. And actually at this point we're interested with the two moments. In the nearest time we're interested with the retracement to consider taking a long position here, and here's any pullback will be very welcome because it could let us to possess ourselves at the next 70.35 destination points approximately. So this is first moment. Second moment is extremely important what will happen with this trend line, because as you understand, this is not just a daily trend line, this is the consolidation on the monthly chart. And if market will break it up, well, it's might have the very significant consequences, I mean bullish consequences, and so market could keep going higher, and this will be a very important breakout. So that two moments on the table right now. On the 4-hour time frame chart, we have multiple grabbers have been formed here on the top, suggesting there's possible additional signs of the retracement, so market could start dropping. And then in the first moment we will be watching for following levels. On the daily chart, on the hourly chart, I would watch for an area somewhere around 66. It's well, this is kind of the previous top consolidation. If you take the extreme point, it would be right at the 66.65 fib level, but it's more proper, I think, that to treat it as some region, some area, and it stands somewhere in between 65.50 and 66.50. So on average, this is 66 area that we need to control in the nearest time, because here is minor retracement. This might be interesting to consider long entry. Besides, if everything will go well, we will be able to place relatively tight stop slightly below the confluence, and the form a trend line is kind of the hand shoulders or something. So this would be an area where we intend to place stop if everything will go as we suggest. So at the top, if you would like to take the scalp short positions, theoretically it is possible, but I would wait for some clear pattern. Currently, this market just started reaction on this target area. We do not have anything clear, but maybe within the 1-2 sessions we could get something. I don't know, maybe we might hand shoulders or something else. Here, guys, final point. Yes, we have some multiple divergences here, and take a look. 1618 extension of our pattern also has been completed. So XOP has been reached perfectly, just up to 1 cent. So 69.49 areas just touch the XOP and start retracement. So that in towards what we have as a bottom line. We have the bullish context, but since market just stands on the targets and trend line resistance, we would like to get some moderate pullback that we intend to use for possible long entry. Supposedly, at the current moment, 66 area might be interesting for this task. Next upside target will be around 70.35. So this is the target of the weekly grabbers. Heading towards our plan. So let's see how it will turn.